Yeah, the EcoTech framework allows us to highlight to our customers how we improved our products compared to the previous product, compared to market standard, or to a norm. And we highlight that very transparently in our documentation, Siemens EcoTech Profile.
Now, why are you doing this?
Well, we are doing that to allow our customers to assess how we improved our product and then make educated choices, like with our Siemens drives, with our factory automation products, with our building automation products, to make educated choices about what kind of sustainability improvement we did with our product portfolio.
Now, sustainability means many things to many people. What criteria, what sustainability criteria are you focused on?
Yeah, that's very crucial and important basis for our Siemens EcoTech framework. Because this framework, we have a set of criteria based on robust eco-design, and we assess our products in 3 dimensions. One is sustainable materials, so what kind of materials go into our product. One is optimal use, so how are our products performing when they are in use, like elements, energy efficiency, but also durability, and many more. And then the 3rd dimension is value recovery and circularity, where we then also highlight how we improved our product from repairability, what kind of upgradability functionalities we added. Yeah, that is the set of criteria how we assess our products. And to then get Siemens EcoTech Profile and the corresponding label, you need to fulfill 1 criteria in each of those 3 dimensions.
Now, I'm guessing this is not just limited to what Siemens does in its own factories. It has implications for your suppliers as well.
Yeah, definitely, because in the end, when we are looking at low carbon materials, for example, well, in the end, we get materials also from our suppliers. So if we want to improve there, we need to get our suppliers on board to then provide, for example, CO2 optimized material to then go into our products to then actually fulfill the criteria, for example, low carbon material as one example.
Now, may I ask, I'm a technology guy, what technology is under the covers to record all this data? How do you pull it all together?
Yeah. Well, we have a very intensive, structured approach to assess all those criteria. So there's an expert team, experts from product management and R&D, who go through those criteria and then assess, okay, the things we improved here, how do they fit to those criteria? And furthermore, we then of course upgraded our PLM process, our process how we develop products, to then for future products even further enhance our products based on those criteria. So this framework is also the basis for future improvements of our product portfolio for things to come in the future.
Now, I would imagine this requires some work from your suppliers. How has it been? How have they responded to this? How has it been accepted?
Well, there's a different field. Some suppliers, they are really excited, also have their own sustainability goals, but others, they are still starting the journey to also acknowledge sustainability implication, to get transparency about their own factories. But that's of course also a great opportunity for collaboration, because we have many functions, many tools to also get transparency in your own production, and that's also an opportunity for more collaboration with our partners also in the supply chain.
And I suppose critically, how is it being received by your customers?
And that is actually the most important element. I mean, Siemens EcoTech Profile is all about highlighting the things from our product perspective towards our customers. And customers are really keen to learn more about sustainability improvements of our products. So Siemens EcoTech Profile really fits to that expectation, making transparent what we improved, but also it's a great opportunity when a machine builder, an application engineer, building up a whole factory, when you utilize Siemens EcoTech Profile-based products, you can then also make easy claims towards your end customer that buys the machine, that buys the application, to say, okay, I improved my machine by utilizing technology from my partner Siemens, that has the Siemens EcoTech profile, so I improved my overall machine by utilizing those bits and pieces, combining it to an application or to a whole machine.
Now, I had the opportunity to visit your facility in Amberg last week, and some of the products coming out the door there right now have your Siemens EcoTech label. So this is a living, it's in production.
Yes, and that is also a good element. What I did not mention yet, all the products that get Siemens EcoTech also need to be produced in factories that only use green energy. And in Amberg, that of course is the case, like our 1500 controller that also has Siemens EcoTech profile that is produced in Amberg that you visited just last week. And so it also fulfills the criteria, it also has Siemens EcoTech profile, and it is produced in Amberg.